Hey folks, this is the Cajun. Today we got a bone-in ribeye roast. Check this out right here, folks. Look at that. It was on sale. We got us a deal right here. So we're about to get it seared up, put it in the oven low and slow. We're gonna have it on 140 degrees and see what we can do. See how tender we can get this roast. So y'all stay tuned. We're about to get to cooking. So what I do is I take a knife, I scrape the top of the meat to get anything off. And clean it. See, that's what come off the meat. Clean it. Put it down there on the side. Look how pretty that looks. Look at that. Boy, that's gonna be nice, huh? So now we're gonna coat it. We're gonna put some seasoning on it. And we're gonna brown it. Let me show you, folks. We're coming up to 400 degrees. We had 295 and climbing. We got our Breville Control Freak induction cooker controlling our temp. We got our made-in saucer pan. That's what we're gonna brown in. So we just got a little bit more to go. We're up to 320. It's coming on up. We'll get to 400. We'll start browning. Between now and then, we're gonna put some seasoning on it. I got some McCormick Grill Master Montreal steak seasoning. That's what we're gonna use today, folks. Check that out. We got it for $2 and something cents on closeout sale at Ingles Market. So we're gonna use this today. So we got our bone-in ribeye. Look at it, it's all seasoned up, folks. Look how good that looks. Whoa! Check that out right there. Here we go, folks. We're gonna brown that side first. Then we're gonna do the other side. Then we're gonna do the bottom. We're gonna roll it. Then we'll do the fat cap last. We're gonna go ahead and get our oven going to 140 degrees. Get it prepped. We're doing the end. Hey, Bella. We got it on the end, and we're kind of rolling it. Then we're going to put it on the fat cap, brown it. So since we started browning, the temperature on the pan is 300. The target is 400. There we go. Now we got it on the fat cap, folks. Check that out. There we go. browned it a little bit there. All right, folks, let me show you. We got our oil with our seasoning. We got some horseradish, and I'm gonna make a paste to put on the back of the rib roast. I'm just gonna mix it together, get it a little thick, get it seasoned, and rub it on there. Got our sauce. Now we're gonna put it on the outside of our steak. So we got our rub on the outside there. It's gonna form a crust. So the first thing we wanna do now is we wanna take an internal temperature. So let's see what we got. (41.4), folks. All right, so we're gonna sear it a little while. We're gonna do about 8 minutes at 450. I just turned the roast so it can sear for the next 5 minutes. That way the heat will be evenly around it. We're gonna take a core temperature after 10 minutes of searing at 450 degrees and see where she's at. (48.2). There we go, folks. 180 for an hour. We'll come back and check the temperature in an hour. We've got our butter ready. It's gonna start softening, so in about an hour we'll be able to put our butter on the rib roast. Keep it lubricated, keep it moist on the outside. First hour, let's take us a temperature. 180 degrees for the first hour, and we up to 73.4, folks. (93.6) internal temperature. Well, 91.6. Broke 100, folks. 101.1. 2.5 hours in. There you go, folks. 118. We're getting close. So let me show y'all. Look at the bark. So you can see at the top where I've been putting the butter, it kind of washed the bark away right there. But look at the bark. Look how good that looks. So at the top, right around here, that's where I put the horseradish paste with the seasoning. You can see what it looks like compared to at the bottom. It's just the seasoning. So we kind of can see how it affects the roast as we cook through it. Look at here. See how that fat's rendering? Look at that. Flavor, folks, all about flavor. It's low and slow from here on out. All right, folks, it's been about 5 hours now. Look at that. We're up to 120.9. Maybe we'll hit 121. Let's see. At 120.9. There we go. Got some butter on top. I cut a little bit of the fat out, so put the butter there so it could stay and just be on top of the meat, protein. Look at how good that looks, folks. Oh, it's getting there. All right, folks, it's been 5.5 hours. Let's check this out. Let's see where we at. We're gonna get in the middle there. $122.9, came up a little bit. 123. Look, folks, we at 123.3. Getting close, getting close. Look, we cut a little bit of fat off. See there in the top? Look right there in the top. We cut some fat off there, put the butter in there, and look, the butter just comes on down the side. Look at that, how good that looks. And then we got our temperature right there, 123.3. All right, folks. It's been 6 hours. Let's see what we got here. $129.4. We getting real close. Look how good that looks, folks. It is close. All right, folks, this should be it here. We should be around 135, 136. 135.3. Take another stick over here. 134.8 right here. So there we have it, folks. Be close to 135. Look at that, folks. Look here, folks. I got my Dexter S140 Roast Slicer. It's a Sani-Safe model. Check that out. It's a Dexter S140 Sani-Safe Roast Slicer, and I get to use it on my bone-in ribeye roast. Check this out. Look how good it looks. Got that bark. Got it up to 135. Look at here, folks. Look at that. And I get to use this Dexter roast slicer for the first time. That's gonna be cool. Look at that, folks. How's that look? Boom. Looks like dinner. Now we're going to finish it, folks, on the other end. In the same pan we browned it in, we're going to finish it in. Check that out. See, that's going to be dinner right there, folks. There we go, folks. Hey, folks, look at here. Look how good that looks. So, folks, look here. Got me a piece right here. We're going to take a bite. It's good. It's good right here, folks. Look at that. Perfect steak. Perfect. We're going to eat some dinner. We want to thank the folks at English Market for cutting it for us. They put that seasoning on sale. We grabbed it. Used the last of our horseradish. And that was it. Simple, easy. Just took a long time, so you better have patience. Having patience is building flavors, is cooking good. Hey, y'all have a good day. Thanks for watching. Look here, folks. Pit boss is rolling. Look at that, folks. Coming together, finishing her up.